dear ones, today you have a speaking session. And in this session, you have to express your views. What you feel when your summer vacation starts, and what you feel when your vacation ends. What you feel when your vacation starts, and what you feel when your vacation ends. So this is topic for speaking, and I think you are ready for it. Start giving your names in the message box. Very good, Harsh. Harsh, Gaurav, Lakshmi. Very good. Come on. वैष्णवी. और अच्छे से बोलना थोड़ा. और ये मत सोचना कि जल्दी बोल के चले जाओगे तो छुट्टी हो जाएगी. सुन लेना पहले ही बैठा हो. अब ये बोल देना तो तेरी जो भी तेरी वांट जस्टिस है, जो भी है ना तेरा जस्टिस इनजस्टिस, अब बोल देना तेरी जो भी इच्छा हो. ठीक है, मौका दे दिया हमने तेरे को बोलने का.
सर एक बार वो कर दो ना,
क्या
रिपीट टॉपिक.
है?
टॉपिक
क्या कर दूं
टॉपिक
टॉपिक?
क्या है सर? टॉपिक क्या है?
टॉपिक तो सही दिया है मैंने आज तुम्हारे को.
तो क्या है?
आ जाओ. So it is very nice that many of you have sent their names. Very good. I think all have done it. But I think Anna is shocked. बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड है छोरी. देखो नाम नहीं आया अन्ना का भी. ओ छोरी, इतना टेंशन करना अच्छी बात नहीं है बेटा. हाँ तो फूल रही है, हैं?
गाय के लिए टेंशन तो होगी.
चलो शुरू करते हैं एक बार जरा. यस, कम ऑन हर्ष. Harsh is not connected properly. Come on, Gaurav.
You sure? So, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and today's topic is about how do I feel when my holidays start versus how do I feel when my holidays end.
Ah,
So, when my holiday starts, everything will be going well until our school organizes a PTM just as the holiday starts. Yes. So we suffered from that, and then we were enjoying our holidays, roaming here and there. Sometimes hospital, sometimes village, and sometimes village is hospital. And after enjoying this much, our school regret to send us to holidays, so they pull us back. And the day when it's the last day, we are traumatized heavily.
बोल.
And every student is not happy about that. And also, most of the students, like 90% of the students, don't even come to school on the first or second day. And also, our schools organize or schedule exam just after the holiday. But we have to do it because our parents are giving fees to schools, so we have to do it. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Did you go to school today?
Yes, sir.
Did you get any homework?
Forcefully. Yes, sir.
How many
Little.
students were present in your class?
In my class, 8 students were absent.
8 students were absent. Okay. Yes, come on now. Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rashid. Today I'm going to tell you about how I felt when my vacation started and when they ended. So when my vacation started, I was a little bit sad and happy too. As I was sad because at home I generally feel bored because I have nothing to do, and whenever I touch the phone to watch something, then my mother scold me that do not watch phone, and told me say, and troll me saying that your vacations have started. You will irritate me like this the whole 1 month. Why the hell the schools give the holiday to the children? It should be off only 1 or 2 days. So that's why I don't like vacations. And one more reason is that whenever I am at home, I do not have chance to talk to my friends and do the things which I do at schools. Because at school there is no one to scold me, but at home there are my parents who stop me from doing the things which are not good and give punishment for that. But in schools, teachers say that we do not listen to them and we do whatever we like. As school days are for the or irritating the teachers only. This is my point of view. If anybody has I don't.
Are you sad today?
And for about what
I think it seems to me that you are sad.
today?
There is a sadness of on your face. Any problem?
No, sir. It's okay.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir, but I am sad because I did not download the holiday homework file and now I have to write 50 pages and submit it tomorrow. So I am writing from till since I came from the school.
Did you go
That's
to
why
school
you can.
today?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
And whenever the school starts, I feel very happy because now I will be away from home and I can talk to my friends. And whenever we friends meet together, we do a lot of things. And I missed my friends a lot because I went to the NCC camp and for the whole 10 days I was with from morning to night and from again morning I was with them only eating, bathing, talking and doing everything with them. So it also connected me more with them. So that was also the one of the reason why I became sad after the vacations. But but on the other hand, I was happy because I got more chance to watch the things which I like the most. And after the vacations ended, I felt a happiness in my heart that I will I now I can free. I can go to school and do whatever I like at the school. So this feeling can only be understood by the
बेटा
uh, students who students who are truly connected with their friends. That's it, sir.
कर कर आपके कर. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So come on
Yes,
now.
sir.
Okay, बेटा वो रक्षित का फोन आ गया था. I got busy to attend his call.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. So okay, now
Yes, sir.
I am calling Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi
एक
Gujar.
मिनट बेटा
Today, our
रुको एक मिनट. नहीं नहीं इतना लेट नहीं होगे तुम. जाओ. भागम भाग मत करना आराम से आना. हाँ. आज ही आ जाना. हाँ. नहीं नहीं कोई टेंशन मत करना हो जाएगा. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. So okay, Harsh, very good, very nice speaking. Your flow is very nice. So Rakshit has come, and Rakshit, today we have a speaking session. Your feelings when vacation starts, and your feeling when vacation ends. Okay. And now I think Harsh, Gaurav, and Lakshmi. Come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today, my topic is how I feel when the summer vacation start and ends. And today, I am expressing my view on the topic. And
Use.
when the summer vacation start, I feel pleasure, joyful because in the summer vacation we will have to remain in our home and we can go our our nani's house and we can visit anywhere and in the summer time we have extra time and we can make new things in summer vacation and we can join in in any academy to learn many things and some person join swimming in the summertime and some person prefer prefer to visiting new place and in the summertime we we remain with our family and in the summertime we have a lot of things we can eat fruits and ice cream without going to school and we have no pressure and we remain happy because because we don't have to go school and and in the summertime we can create new things in ourselves and we can make us we can make us a learned person in the during summertime and during summertime we can we can learn some experience regarding regarding our study and other things and when the summer vacation and we feel we feel pressure and we feel bored because sometime the ending of the summer vacation we didn't do our work and in the ending summer in the ending we we will have to work for for our assignments and we will have to go school in the ending of summer vacation and in the ending of summer vacation we feel annoying and
Very good.
we can't focus during during regular school time because sometime the teacher give us a lot of pressure regarding our study and creating new things in ourselves and and we should remain happy in both time because more summer vacation is not good for us because we can't grow ourselves and we can't make perfect and so the summertime should remain limited limit in a limit and and some student in summertime use in the right way because some student don't use in summertime mobile phone and some student think that summer vacation is good for them to using mobile phone and to watching tv etc and some student make entertainment with their family and and summer vacation is the best for everyone. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट आया बेटा. वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप. यस, वैष्णवी. वैष्णवी बेटा ध्यान से आज थोड़ा सा है ना. यस.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. Today I'm speaking about what feelings when the summer vacation starts or end. I'm telling about that what feelings when the summer vacation start. Recently I just passed the 12th examination. So, my summer vacation is going on. And in this summer vacation, I learned to many things like household works and many other things. And I explore some places in this summer vacation, and I feel very happy. So, I feel very happy, and my summer vacation has been started about March, and it is going on. And recently July starts, and I will join the college in the month of July, and the date will be 15 July. So
Have you
I
taken
will join
admission?
the yes sir,
In which college?
sir IAS college.
IIS, Indian International.
Yes sir, it is situated at Mansarovar,
Okay.
Gurukul Marg.
Okay, very good. Nice college. Come on,
Yes sir.
carry on.
Yes sir. So I feel very bored sometimes in this summer vacation. So my mom give me household works to do, not to feel bored.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
sometimes I feel very happy and very sad.
Hmm.
I help my sister uh, to do help in her homework.
Hmm.
And sometimes I create creative things, art and craft,
Hmm.
and I learned uh, some cooking foods and etc. And so that the summer vacation is going on is very good. So that the summer vacation is uh, comes to an end. So I feel very happy because I because in this vacation I don't have many friends because my friends live far away from me,
Left.
so left from me, and I feel very so sad. Sometimes I call them,
Hmm.
and sometimes they come to my home and I go to their home. So so that's why I feel very happy to join the college uh, and to they make the timetable according to the regular time basis. So at last I want to say that the summer vacation is good but in a limited. Thank you sir, that's it.
आज तो काफी अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है बेटा, थोड़ा फोकस करके बोला करो बेटा, है ना? वेरी गुड. अंजू.
Yes. So hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meera, and my today's topic is how we feel when our vacation gets started and get over. So when this started, we are so happy, so happy. We
Hmm.
unlimited happy.
Hmm.
Think like 2 months we are just having holidays. No pressure, nothing, just holidays. We can wake up at 12, 9, 12, 9, 8, 1, 2, 1 p.m., 2 p.m.
Hmm.
We have no pressure, just our teachers and friends and school gave us holiday homework to destroy our beautiful, good holiday. And after that, no one done it. At the last of month, like last day that I have done.
Hmm.
At last day, everyone is just sitting and doing their holiday homework.
Hmm.
But sometimes some good food don't give them holiday homeworks. But
Hmm.
our school is not good,
Hmm.
so they gave us holiday. And after that, after 7 days, there's my exam to see.
Hmm.
They give holiday homework, and after that, there's 7 days. After 7 days, they're having exams.
Hmm.
And when they get over, we feel so bad. We think what we have done in it.
Hmm.
We want 3 months extra. We want. Sometimes some
Hmm.
children don't come.
Hmm.
They come at 110 or 10 July. Why? Because they wanted to their holiday homework. Because they give us so much big holiday homework, like make projects, make dolls, make dolls,
Hmm.
so that we don't know. We want almost 1 month extra for it to do.
Hmm.
So we want 1 month extra. So I want to say, my teachers in school, please give us 3 months. So 2 months we will do our enjoying, and 1 month, and after that we do holiday homework. And some children do in start, that is called like this. But sometimes children, they done holiday homework at ekdam start. But after that, they already done 50 times, 80 times, 100 times, 5,000 times
Hmm.
books to destroy their holidays, because they say teachers already destroyed our holidays with giving holiday homework. So we think our mom is saying to read books. So we so what can I do? Our holidays are destroying. It will destroy. So
ले
how
जा
it is destroying? So how
चिपक
can
गई,
I
ले जा दूसरी.
can destroy it?
Hmm. ये ले जा,
So that's it.
देखिए लग जाएगी.
That's it. I want to say at last, please give us 3 months extra for
Hmm.
doing holiday
लगा दे.
homework.
हाँ.
That's it.
वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग यार, शाबाश. है ले जा. बहुत मस्त होके बोलती है एकदम. मजा आता है तेरे को सुनने में. वाह यार, इसको कहते हैं दिल से बोलना. शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा. हाँ, क्लास में थोड़ा सा ग्रामर की क्लास में थोड़ा सा फोकस किया कर बेटा. जब टेस्ट वगैरह चले तो सुगली की तरह पड़ जाती है.
बोला था मैं
बोला था.
ऊपर जाके बैठी थी, तो उसमें नहीं चल रहा है मैच मेरा.
सुस्त रहती है वहां पे, ऐसे नहीं होती है जैसे अभी यहाँ पे रहती है. हमेशा स्पीकिंग का तो नहीं चल सकता ना बेटा.
मैं तो अलग
अलर्ट रहा कर थोड़ा सा.
अब मैं उस रूम में बैठूंगी हमेशा.
हाँ हाँ, जहाँ भी बैठे तू, पर वो थोड़ा सा ठीक कर बेटा, थोड़ा सा. हाँ बेटा, कंटिन्यूअसली वो चीजें होती हैं तो वो थोड़ी ठीक नहीं है बेटा, है ना. ठीक कर थोड़ा सा अपने आप को. यहाँ पे जैसे अच्छी है वैसे वहां पे भी थोड़ा सा अच्छा करने की कोशिश किया कर. यस, कम ऑन खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. Myself, Khushbu Jar. I'm telling about what I feel in summer season.
Hmm.
Uh, Summer season is a nice season. It gives us many opportunities. Like days are long and nights are short. So summer season helps to get more more work done. And in you know what, I have completed my graduation last year. So so my vacation are going on.
Hmm.
uh, in summer season in summer season in all season, I live in a home. And
Hmm.
I feel that in summer season we love to eat mango, watermelons, extra. You know what? Fruits helps to had to give us energy, and fruits are blessing in summer season for us.
Hmm.
And most of the students waste their time in summer season, and most of the students learn new things
Hmm.
and learn new activities,
Hmm.
and planning for trip and picnics with their family. And when I, when I was a school student, I used to enjoy summer season a lot.
Hmm. But now?
I watched TV,
Hmm.
cartoon, movies, and I I played outdoor games, indoor games,
Hmm.
all summer season.
Shabash.
I enjoyed, but now I have TV, I have phone, I have everything, but I don't have that time feelings.
Hmm.
And in summer season, I studied all summer season as much as I could, and
Hmm.
I like summer season because uh, in summer season I do I do a lot of work done,
Hmm.
and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे। ऐसे ही रखा करो बेटा इसको, कंसिस्टेंसी रखो अपना, है ना। उस
Yes,
ट्रैक
sir.
को पकड़ लो, आप किस ट्रैक पे आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आजकल। वेरी गुड। अनु, क्या हुआ तेरे को बेटा? तू क्यों इतनी उदास है? क्या हो गया आज तेरे को? क्या बात है बेटा? बता मुझे, क्या बात है? किसी ने कुछ कहा तेरे को?
No, sir.
तो इतनी उदास सुस्त क्यों है तू बेटा? स्कूल चालू हो गया इसलिए?
नहीं सर।
क्या बात है बेटा फिर?
सर क्या बोलता है, मैं अभी अभी सो के उठी थी
अबे
ना।
1 1.5 घंटा हो गया सो के उठे तो तेरे को।
तो सर अभी भी नींद आ रही है, मम्मी ना कच्ची नींद में जगा
कच्ची
दिया
नींद
था।
में जगा दिया बेटा, उठना तो पड़ेगा ना। थोड़ा मुंह धो ले, चल मुंह धो के आ, थोड़ा सा
सर
फ्रेश
मेरा
हो।
भाई तो अभी भी सो रहा है।
तो सोने दे, सो रहा है तो, तेरा भाई सो रहा है तो फ्रेश हो गया, मुंह धो के आ, चल खड़ी हो, चल
जा रहे।
थोड़ा ठंडे पानी के छींटे मार और मुंह धो के आ, चल।
Who's gonna?
हाँ, यस, कम ऑन सिमरन, आ जा।
Yes sir, hey everyone, myself Simran, and today I'm telling about how I feel when our summer vacation is starting, and when that is end.
हम्म।
So the summer vacation is starting when we feel very excitement,
एक्साइटेड
excited, and
लग रहा था ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है।
हाँ
हाँ,
सर,
वो ऐसे लगने लग जाता है, मतलब बहुत सही ट्रैक पे जा रहे हो आप, बोलो।
and we feel very joyful, and uh, in the starting of summer vacation, we are very happy because uh, all burden and all exam is over,
वेरी गुड।
and uh, that time we we are free to do all that things whatever we want, and we can do our favorite thing, and we can play, and especially we can go our home, and uh,
meet to our family members
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ, बोल बोल बोल, ऐसे बोल।
and um, in the in the holiday is like for all students uh, like freedom and they feel we have a we have a weapon and by it we can achieve whatever we want, but it is not true. And in summer vacation and every vacation we can do some things, not a lot of, and but ending the summer vacation, um, we feel we feel like uh, we feel like it is a it is a uh, it is a no, all that things are stop and in next day we we are no, next day uh, we can no, next day सर जाना ही पड़ेगा, we have to we have to mm, go on our work. Uh, but ending the ending the holiday not bad because sometime after a long time we we, we meet again with our friends and we start again our routine and but sometimes some students don't feel good because they didn't work complete because they didn't complete their work
शाबाश।
and that's it, sir.
वाह यार बेटा, यार बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा, यार मजा आता है यार। आप सब लोगों का बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है यार, सच में यार। मतलब कहाँ से आपने जो शुरुआत थी आपकी और ये जो जर्नी है ना, मतलब मजा आता है सुन करके कि दिस इज नॉट योर बट माय अचीवमेंट। मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे आप लोग तो खैर कर ही रहे हो, पर आई एम हैप्पी यार। मतलब कहते हैं ना, व्हाट आई एम सक्सेसफुल, आई एम सक्सेसफुल। वेरी गुड यार। व्हेन आई सी यू ऑल एट दिस पॉइंट, माय एक्सटेसी नोज नो बाउंड। वेरी गुड यार, थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू खुशी, थैंक यू सिमरन, थैंक्स टू ऑल। नींद खोलो, जागो, आजा अन्नू।
जागो जागो
चुप
जागो
रहे,
सुबह
ज्यादा जाग जाएंगे अभी। इतना जागने के लिए नहीं बोला। हाँ बेटा आजा, आराम से, अच्छे से
जल्दी
बेटा।
से उठो,
चुप
चाय
रहे,
ठंडी
चुप
हो गई।
चुप। हाँ
Hello everyone. Today I am telling about how I feel when my school starts and when my holiday starts.
हाँ,
So when the first day when my exams are over of PT1, we have done a very big party in our bus. We are happy, happy, and then we have
हाँ,
played the song like exam khatam ho gaye. Many
एग्जामिनेशंस आर ओवर, यस। हाँ
many songs we have played,
हाँ
and then we come to school.
हाँ
मतलब come to home.
हाँ।
Then we have thrown our bag here and there, dress here and there, and जैसे कहते हैं ना, बिल्कुल सांस ली बिल्कुल भर के, ऐसी लाइक दैट वी हैव
We feel a great
taken
relief.
breath, and we have forgotten all teachers,
Forgotten.
um, um, all teacher, all principal, everyone.
Uh,
Uh,
everything of school. Yes. Hmm.
then
Hmm.
one day come when I have to go to school
So
because
sad.
of any work.
Hmm.
I go.
Hmm.
I go.
Hmm.
Yeah, I just sit there. My man is not my mm,
My heart
my
is not there.
my heart is not there.
Hmm.
My only I'm sitting there. My body was there,
Hmm.
and
Bol.
and then the teacher said, uh, मतलब for football, for badminton, anyone has to come to school daily. I have said that I will participate in another school, but I don't participate in my school. I don't want to um, see my school's picture again and again.
Hmm.
I'm really bored from it.
Hmm.
Uh, 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 and 2 3 days, I two th- 2 3 days I will at home. Then I go to Delhi to my mommy's house.
Delhi. Delhi. बोला कर Delhi. Delhi.
Delhi to
हाँ.
my mommy's house.
हाँ.
I enjoyed very much there. Um, um, uh, uh, like here my mother don't give me permission for eating junk food, and there my mommy do both of them are angry for eating junk food. And we go to the Vegas mall there, and we have taken many things from there. And we also go to India Gate, and we have seen Rashtrapati Bhavan and many things. Then we come to home. As you know, in night we have come home, and full night we stay at our home. Then in सर दोपहर को क्या बोलूं,
In
afternoon,
in afternoon.
in afternoon I go to my nanny's house again, my papa's mamaji's house again. That that way I enjoyed my holidays very much. So when before 30 days I am in tension that the holidays will over
Shabash. Shabash.
after
Shabash.
30 days. But then I also don't do my work. In the night of mm, going school, I do my work because my work is very less, 1 page only. 1 page नहीं, आधा पेज, उसमें भी लिखना ही था सर 4 5. Then I do it. Really, I thank my school that they have given me only 1 page homework. That's why I enjoy my holidays. But my brother sister have 10 pages homework. And then they said, "Hey, Didi, help me." I said, हटो, मुझसे मेरा वर्क नहीं हुआ गया, तुम्हारा करूंगी. Then I play how I can. मतलब I play very much, बिल्कुल सुबह शाम दोपहर हर time.
Every time.
I never remember to sleep in morning. Even in night also. I sleep at 12:30, 12. Yeah. But as you know, my cousins come many times in our holidays. So when our mother father slept, we go to the upper floor and we make coffee. Coffee and chai. Who wants chai? He or she will take coffee. मतलब ka chai and who wants coffee, he or she can take coffee.
Evening, sir.
And then it we do it very slow. Like our mama has slept up on upper floor, but we have put kundi and we have on our TV and we start a movie, South Indian movie. What is डबल अटैक ऐसा ही कुछ नाम था उसका. Then we see it and I think at 1 or 2 a.m. we have slept. And we do it again when our children comes and we don't. सर पता लगने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Come to know.
Come to know that our father and mother, their father and mother know that we have making coffee or tea. But really, I'm feeling now after holidays how bad I cannot explain. I have to see our teacher's face, angry teacher face, sweet teacher face. अब ऐसी चीज बताऊं तो हमारा कोई भी स्वीट टीचर है ही नहीं, सारे हैं तो एंग्री हैं, खड़ूस हैं. ऐसा कोई अच्छा टीचर नहीं है जो सपोर्ट करे हॉलीडेज के बाद.
There is no teacher who supports us.
And first day of the school, they have given us copy work, homework. Know the limit of homework. 4-5 pages homework. It is not necessary, sir. It is not good. And when our sports period come, they said it is very hot out. Sir, it is not good now.
That yes, I know. That is why you don't take any interest in your school. If there is any interesting thing, then definitely you will wait to open your school.
Sir, but I like one period in my school, steering period, in which sir gave us to learn about robots. We make robots in it.
Good, that is interesting. That is creative.
Yes, sir. But only that period I like. That period and art and craft period. And I don't like any period in it.
Very good, beta.
That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया यार, मजा आ गया बेटा. नींद खुल गई अब. 1.5 घंटे में तेरे चेहरे के ऊपर ये स्माइल दिखाई दिया बेटा. ऐसे ही हंसते रहा करो बस. ऐसे फूलन देवी बन के मत बैठा करो. हंसते रहा करो. चलता है बेटा, अब स्कूल जो भी है. हंसते रहा करो, मुस्कुराते रहा करो, खुश रहा करो बस हमेशा, है ना. ऐसी शक्ल अच्छी नहीं लगती. जैसे बैठे हो फूल के फूल बत्ती कहने लग जाऊंगा. फूलन देवी ना, मुस्कुराते रहा करो, हमेशा हंसते रहा करो बेटा. समझ गए ना. हाँ, कुछ भी हो जाए, even in adverse condition, there must be smile on your face always. Okay बेटा? Yes, very good. अच्छा बच्चा है. Yes, come on अनुज. कहाँ गया? पार हो गया भाई ये.
सर यही तो.
कहाँ है? मैं दिख नहीं रहा. तू ये इसकी एब्सेंट लगाओ जी, -20 करो इसके.
सर यही.
सर आप कहो तो -100 कर दे.
नहीं, वो 20 ही बहुत है. 100 में तो हार्ट अटैक हो जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ पे तो जीते मरते हो तुम. आजा भाई.
So क्या चल. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is that how it feels when vacations start and how when it ends. So I would like to clear that the only form of human being that truly understands the importance of holidays is to be a student. Because they are forced or they are required to be regular in school, and whenever they get any holiday or vacations, that's what important. That's what matters for them. So a student, not every student, but a student of a school can understand, and then it comes to college. So there is no regularity in college. So it's not that important that a college student is like dying for holidays or vacations. He or she has a choice.
They are always on holidays. Yes, you are
Yes, sir.
right. Huh.
He or she has a choice to
Go to
get a
very
holiday
good,
or
yaar.
not.
Shabash. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
Or even they are not forced because they become adult
But
when
you
it
know
comes
that
to college.
75% attendance is necessary there also.
But sir, that is but not in my college.
Yes, but they manage it. Your college or
Yes, sir.
teachers manage it.
Sir, that is run on money only.
Yes, on fee. They need only fee. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So yeah, so vacations can be a tonic for a student or a person because it is the time to be
Hmm.
with yourself, to be with your family, to meet your relatives again,
Hmm.
and to to get disappointed by their askings that क्या चल रहा है बेटा कौन सी क्लास में आ गए हो.
Hmm.
So it always it must be avoid this question must always be avoided because there is no answer. Uh, so
It has become
uh,
tradition to ask such questions. You know,
yes sir.
जब तक ऐसे नहीं पूछेंगे तो मजा ही नहीं आता उनको. क्या है यार, पूछा ही नहीं हमने तो. Yes.
Uh, so yeah, vacations must be enjoyed wisely,
Hmm.
and we must give these vacations and the time of vacations to ourselves, to
Oh.
our family,
Hmm.
and it's the time to change your mindset or to reset or to be prepare for the further academics or whatever it's going to be. So yeah, vacations is important. That's it, sir.
Very good, yaar. Very good, Shabash. Actually, I didn't expect that you will take so much time to speak on this topic. I thought that you will complete it in half an hour. But really, I am very much happy that yeah, you are speaking very well. You all, Shabash. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that how I feel when vacation starts, and when vacation ends, and also how every student feel about this,
Hmm.
about the same.
Hmm.
So, we know that vacation is given the title of that it is the most important part of a student's life in the student's academic year.
Hmm.
So because it is the tonic,
इसका भी
we
अपना
can
एक
say
अलग
the
ही
best
charm होता
tonic for the student
है. Yes.
to be more efficient in everything he
हाँ.
or she does.
हाँ.
Like uh, because uh, n- because the students enjoy very much in vacations. Because and we know that there are a few students who thinks that vacation should not come, but majority of students are there who thinks that vacation should come 2 or 3 times a year.
Oh.
So we can see that how curious are students
Hmm.
about vacations.
Hmm.
So and we know that what are vacations? It is when we get many holidays at a time
Hmm.
together,
Hmm.
that we call vacations. Because we know that students get enjoyment when there is the holiday of 1 day or 2 day, but when it is the time for many holidays,
Oh.
so students feel a different feeling than that cannot be told in words.
Hmm.
So you can understand what I'm saying.
I am. It is well. I am understanding well, beta.
Yes, because we know that everyone is a student in his or her life, and everyone has lived a student life in his or her life if he has grown up. So, and at the time of being a student is very precious for the development of a person. And in this development, vacation plays a very important role. Because when because first of all, before coming of vacations, before the 10 or 15 days of coming of vacations, students starts to feel this thing that vacation are coming and they get excited. So this is a different feeling, and this feeling should come in every student's mind and in every student, because this feeling is very important. And then when the vacation starts, student think that they will do many things in the vacation, but we know the reality. A few students can do some things in vacations. Many students forget to do things because of enjoyment, because they want to enjoy the vacations. But we know that mostly vacations are made for the relaxation of students and for the enjoyment. But some part of vacation is there for the development of student also.
You are right.
So this is true, and and every student should see vacation as the view of enjoyment, not as the view of doing homework, doing assignments. Like we know that what is the education system of our country. It is it is a different. It is on another level, because we know that India is not for beginners. India is for finishers.
Yes.
So, we, so this also applies in vacations. That before vacations, the first thing that students do not want to listen is that the homework that will be assigned to them in the vacations. So but teachers are there. Teachers are there for this duty to give assignments to the students, to give homework. And there are a few teachers who think about the feelings of students and give less homework so that students can enjoy their vacations. Many teachers are not many teachers, but we can say as majority of teachers are there who think that vacations should be there for students for homework only, that students should study only study in the vacations and should do homework. So they assign a lot of homework. That is not good. They should not do this. But there is there are not many teachers for them to tell them that this is not good. Many teachers are in support of them, because we know that we know about our education system. But this should not be done with, as per my view. But everyone has his or her different view. But with we should in vacation, most of the priority is given to for the enjoyment of students and for the development of students, not just doing homework. And in vacation, and we know that when the school is running, the half day of students life is busy in school, and half day the student spends his or her time at the home. But in vacations, student has the opportunity to spend time spend the time of whole day at the home, to spend time with his family. So it should be done that student in vacations or at and whenever the student gets time, he or she should spend time with his or her family and with himself or herself also. So vacations are also meant for this. And there are many things, a lot of things to tell about vacations, but we can't tell all that things one in one turn. So and also, so we should so everyone should be in the support of vacation. Everyone should endorse endorse the vacations, and everyone should not hate vacations, because
No one should.
vacations.
No one
Okay,
should
so
hate.
no one should hate vacations, because it is a part of a student life, and it is a trait of student that student should enjoy the vacations. And at last I want to tell that anytime the student gets vacations, spend more time with family, and spend more time at exploring places, spend more time in enjoyment, spend more time in development, and spend very less time in doing homework. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग, शाबाश। एक तो नाम लिखो जरा, एक तो हर्ष का नाम लिखो, गायब है। नाम लिखो एक जना हर्ष का, और एक इसका नाम लिखो अंजलि का। ये दोनों गायब हैं आज, कल मेरे को याद दिलवाना। नाम लिखो इनका एक जना। कम ऑन कल्पना, आ जा बेटा, कैमरा चालू कर दे रहा।
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा।
Today my topic is what to feel summer vacation start and ending. Summer vacation is starting. I am very happy. Summer vacation is the best moment of the summer time. Fun for the children when schools are closed.
शाबाश शाबाश।
Everyone relax and no pressure of teachers.
आजकल बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आ रहा है तेरा, शाबाश। अच्छे फोकस करके बोल।
Everyone fun and fun. Everyone go village. I miss my friends. Everyone complete summer vacation homework. Summer vacation and everyone feels sad and happy. Everyone go school daily. The life starts of roboting of everyone. That's it, sir.
हाँ बेटा, और थोड़ा ठीक करे ना, अच्छा बोला है, वेरी गुड। कोशिश कर बेटा। यस, कम ऑन आदित्य भाई साहब।
यस सर, वेरी गुड इवनिंग सर।
वेरी गुड इवनिंग। क्या होगा, आवाज कैसे नहीं आ रही?
सर बस वो गला बैठ गया।
खड़ा कर इसको, बोल।
अरे नहीं सर, वो कुछ ज्यादा ही ठंडा पानी पी लिया था।
तो मत पिए ना ज्यादा ठंडा पानी। फ्रिज में बैठ के पीता है क्या?
नहीं सर, आदत लग गई है कुछ ज्यादा।
जल्दी बोल अब फटाफट से। चल, और अच्छे से बोलना, थोड़ा फोकस करके।
यस सर। हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज आदित्य एंड टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज अबाउट summer vacation and after the summer vacations time. So in my summer vacation I didn't do any fun. I'm only did my holiday homework because my school teachers gave me so much holiday homework, and I want that which punishment we gave him in the last century, या फिर वो क्या कहते हैं, पिछले जन्म में।
In last birth, okay.
बोल। In last birth, which punishment they gave us now. I mean that what is this here? Yeah, but I think it is right because I can improve my other skills, and it is not about 100-page homework. It is only 10 or 20 pages homework. But then I completed my clear, neat handwriting. Then okay, and then I think when my summer vacations ending after 10 sorry 20 day after 20 days then I then my and my and then my then I went to the then I went to the my Jaipur and I meet with my and I meet and I meet
Matt.
nahi, sorry, Matt. Then I met with my so then I met to my cousin brother and sisters, my all family who lives in Jaipur, uh, who lived in Jaipur. Then and I enjoy so much. And and then and then and then I went in a function which in which I eat so many I ate so many things. And then after the summer vacation, what I can say that what I can said what I can say that you all know that uh, our teachers give us so much homework.
Hmm.
then the और क्या दे सकते हैं?
Hmm.
But I ignore it. I'm only focused on my
Yeah.
studies and other things.
Hmm.
And today and you ask about me no my today's 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 school time. So don't ask me because my maths teacher saw their their aura
Hmm.
because I think uh, before 4 days he gave us a homework. Then which students don't do that homework? उफ, मजा ही आ गया क्या सूता भाई मजा ही आ गया
Hmm.
दूसरों की बर्बादी देखने का मजा ही कुछ अलग था इसलिए मजा आ गया
Hmm.
so then our English then our my English then in the last 8th period my English ma'am come and then he tell about type of sentences, declinative, interrogative, and explanation and about imperative, etc. Then today's and then I never forget this class because I like it. Language, it is our language because I teach these all things in language laboratory is class and I think it's very my summer vacations are no only normal. I don't do any fun in my summer vacation. That's it.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा और ठीक करो अपने आप को, है ना. अभी इम्प्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है. सेंटेंस बोलते समय थोड़ा फोकस किया करो, है ना बेटा, सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग पे. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच.